What is going on, guys? We're back. We're gonna be unboxing this body glove for iPhone 13 Pro Max. I wow, this is new. I never messed with these. I don't want to comment myself. Yeah, packaging just got real. All right, so yeah, guys, this is we're doing. Wow, this came in like wow, dude, this is like getting shoes and stuff. This is pretty legit, yo. So we'll throw that out of the way. Damn, this I feel special. The fact that they took the time to put this like in a little cardboard that just goes to show it won't ship anywhere. So, we're basically gonna be yeah, this is the body glove. Um this is similar to Life Proof, but for iPhone 13 Pro Max. Man, I guess it's the same thing, but oh look, there's me. Anyways, yeah, guys. So body glove. I got one for my mother. She has a Samsung S21. I got her that for Christmas, and her phone's like lightweight. And this right here, this seems kind of legit. So I feel like this will protect my phone. I know my phone's heavy. My iPhone 13 Pro Max is super heavy, so I know that it's gonna yeah, but I'm gonna get used to it. But the fact is that this is gonna protect it, so I'm actually kind of stoked about it. And yeah, oh look, we got wolves outside, yo. Whoa, we got wolves outside, man. We got the wolf pack. Wolf pack. Anyway, um, yeah, let's go ahead and open this baby up, and we'll get straight to the point. All right. So yeah, guys. I've used Life Proof before. They've honestly they kind of disappointed me. They're not. I don't know. Like the material for Life Proof. I mean, $90, and then it kind of breaks down after a month. It's just yeah, that doesn't sit well with me. I had other cases that literally like last like longer. I don't know if some of you saw my other video from Tritina. That one, oh my god, that one lasted me like 4 years, and it's still hanging on. I still have. I'm gonna keep that actually as a memoir. That's what I call it. So yeah, this is the body glove, dude. I suck at it. Oh, I suck at doing these things, but it's okay. So we're gonna be unboxing this here. So, I don't know that they make these a lot, but well, it's already open, which is good. So you got the body glove itself. So it has a built-in screen protector. I love this because that's how I love my phone. We get me, my sexy self. Oh, they put water on here, and we get this all these installation type situation. You also get like a little where you can clip your phone right here. Oh, right here, actually, basically. Not a lot of people know this, but yeah, this is where you do like a little strand if you want to have it. I don't really use it. You also have that cleaner here, but I'm not going to use it either because I'm boss. And then you get the 1 year limited. Oh, it doesn't have lifetime warranty. That sucks. Either way, attention using your case instructions, you know, the same old. It comes with it. It's the basic. It's straight to the point. I keep my stuff. There's a little lanyard you're supposed to take off, but I'm not going to mess with it yet. Oh, here's a little thing where you just take it off. So yeah, let's go get started, and we're gonna go ahead and clean my phone. I'm not gonna use anything else. Only the little, only like little spots get in this side. So, and this is Gorilla Glass. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I don't know what kind of glass they use, but I'm just gonna call it Gorilla because it's supposed to withstand. I was kind of worried about like the case being too bulky and stuff, but I think this is gonna sit well. Remember, guys, this is the only reason I always get cases because like all around cases. I don't just get like a case where you just slap it on and stuff because that's not the way I roll. Like we're playing stuff. So let's get started on it. So we're gonna go ahead and put the case on here. I'm gonna try to do it this way. It kind of seems flimsy, but I hope it fits unless I'm doing something wrong. Am I putting it backwards? No, that's the right way. Okay. Yeah, I'm just freaking out. Let's see. Am I doing it right? What the? Oh, okay. See, I'm dumb. All right, I'm supposed to sit it down. Okay, here. Well, tell me it's too small. Okay, right here. All these hooks right here, for some reason. Oh, these. Yeah, I don't trust those hooks, yo. Okay. Yo, what's going? Oh my gosh, what's going on with this? Does it need to be stretched out or what? Let me see. Okay, I'll try this. Guys, the reason I'm doing this is because I want you guys to like notice, like, okay, there you go. I want you to like know, like, oh man, is this worth buying? Okay, that's kind of weird. Look, the top went up, so that's kind of good. I just don't know why the bottom is not going through. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, guys, this is why I make videos. That way you guys save yourself money. For some reason, it seems like it's kind of small, but it's not. I mean, this is the right size. All right, we're going to go ahead and do it. Okay. That's weird. All right, let's try again. Man, this is like, okay. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay, there you go. But, dude, I don't trust these top ones. Like, I think they're going to scratch my phone. The plastic things. Yeah, I don't. Okay, there you go. It's going in. It's going in. Man, I didn't even have this trouble with the freaking oh man, that thing had scratched my phone. Oh my gosh. I hope it didn't scratch it. Oh well, it's stainless steel in a way. I'm still gonna check, bro. Let's see. Yeah, guys, not even the Samsung had that problem. So, nah, I didn't. It's just the case itself. It doesn't matter. It's not like I spent, like, you know, my lifetime savings on this, you know? It's not like an Xbox One. Oh, I'm just kidding. No, it is. All right, so yeah, it's kind of hard to put on. They didn't instruct it so. Either way, the lint easily gets on this, but I don't really care about the lint that it gets on it. It's just the fact that it's kind of difficult to put on. But like I said, the only thing, I'll probably check on it later. I'll remove it. But for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and put it on. We're going to seal it up. Yeah, this is just like the Samsung S21. But yeah, we're supposed to seal it up. Sometimes the reason why they ask you to do the water test, guys, is because sometimes they come out defective. And that's your 1-year warranty. So always keep your boxes. Like whatever you get, always keep them. Because you never know when you come out defective. So we're gonna get those little things in here. As you can see, you got to make sure they all clip in. So this is like a new way to ensure that everything is sealed through. I like to go, it's kind of like a snare drum. I like to go around. See, even these little things, that's where they seal it up. And if you're ever gonna remove it, you know where to go. We almost there. Kind of worried about this this top part though. Those little clips, man, those kind of scared me. All right, so overall, it looks beefy from the point of it. Either way, this has to be protected. So as long as it protects the cameras from being scratched, then I'm kind of cool with it. Which it is, because it literally has another layer, because it's waterproof, obviously. But overall, the design is nice. This one, I've never done this. Oh, did it just lock it? I don't know. This. Yeah, so the screen works. I still can't believe I have a. I still can't believe I have a freaking huge phone. It's crazy. So, where is it? Yeah, so overall everything seems to be working fine. Let's just play a random song. I don't want to get let me see. I'll just do the random song. See if it sounds weird, like if you're underwater or something. The buttons seem to be pretty good. I mean, you're not gonna get the. Yeah, you can hear the bass and vibration in the back, but that's normal because it's the whole like basically. Yeah, it's sitting on it. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm not gonna blast my like like I'm not gonna have my like literally iPhone always on like the radio station and all that. So, but or I'm not gonna blast it as long as it protects it. That's all I care about. And then this right here, what is it? It's twisting. So previously I had where you click it back and forth. Though. All right, this is kind of new, but it's kind of cool because it's this flat. The only thing is, I see in the future this is probably gonna twist off, and that's what's probably gonna like mess it up more. That's the only thing I see in the like future having off. And I always have a light on vibrate. So, yeah, there it is, guys. So this is basically the body glove. It's cool. The only thing, like I said, worried me was the top racks right here. They were pointy, and I just like, I feel like I scratched my phone, but some people be like, dude, it's just a phone, but I'm like, yeah, but when it's like an expensive phone, yeah, it's a whole different story. So overall, that's all it comes with, guys. It doesn't come with a lot of things. Like I said, it comes with the screen cleaner and the little band in case you want to take it with you. So I'm gonna put this back. Yeah, and it seems kind of like like it doesn't seem like it's big and bulky. It's like ensuring you it protects you. Like I said, always keep your packages in case you need to send it off. That's one of the things that I have. And like I said, for me, I think this is a great, like, I think for so far, let's see how this case holds up. I mean, I'll have like probably a year with it. And me, like, this is like a little bubble case. You're supposed to take it off, but I'm not gonna take it off. This is actually, you can, that way you can like wireless charge it, but I don't really do wireless charging because it heats up the phone pretty quick. And if I do try doing wireless charging, I'm actually afraid that it will melt into the back, but that hasn't happened. Like I said right here, it's a low profile. So actually, yeah, let me check the camera. I'm sorry, I forgot to check the camera. I was like, oh yeah. So all right, cool. So it seems like it doesn't like mess with anything, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, it seems like it doesn't affect it. The only thing it'll probably affect is like in case there's dust or if it gets cold, but that's the whole point of it, and it's supposed to work out. So, but overall, guys, yeah, like I said, I'll probably let you guys know. Overall, I like it. I mean, there's really nothing much to say about it for now. It's just it does what it does. Yeah, I have one bar. It does what it does, and like I know that I feel confident that it's not, if my phone were to land face front, this is gonna protect it right here. So, although it does get like easily like, see that, like I already have, for some reason I already have like little lint, but it doesn't matter as long as it protects the phone. That's all I care about. But other than that, yeah, I mean, I would, if I were to give a rating, one out of 5, I'd probably give this case a 3 out of 5 for now. I mean, until like we'll see how it holds up, and the casing itself, like I said, it's a slim profile, so it's not too bulky. I know people who have bulky phones, but this one seems like it'll withstand enough. Like I said, the reason I gave it a 3 out of 5 is because these two prongs right here probably scratched my phone, and then the lint right here. But everything else, and like this right here, it's kind of creative. I guess people kept breaking things off before, but the fact that, yeah, I'm gonna try to get used to that. The buttons are fantastic. It doesn't seem like they would come off or anything, but I see why they did the twist, because instead of going back and forth, people pop it off and it doesn't last that long. Same for the camera part right here. I like this right here because it has its own little protector guard. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I will see you in the next video, and we'll continue unboxing this stuff. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go. So this right here, oh, it's from the bottom. Yeah, so this is where you basically charge, so you have to have like a certain phone of it. But this that's the only downfall, is I know this is, when people frequently charge their phones a lot, this is probably going to break off suddenly. I hope that they fix this, or they take into research and development where they can actually figure out to make this last longer. Possibly like a slide in. I believe, but I know that it's probably a slide in will probably work, and like a little lock key that would be perfect. Instead of doing this, relying on rubber, like a little slide in, and then like until it clicks, it will lock it. I think that will last longer, built into the case. That would be an excellent research and development idea to prevent it from the rubber like coming off. But overall, for $20, guys, I mean, you get what you pay for. It seems protective compared to all the other cases. Like I said, compared to the most expensive ones, I think I'm gonna like it. I mean, so far, like I said, I just didn't like this part. But hey, it does what it does, and yeah, guys, this was the Body Glove Title waterproof case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max.